Alright, I just want to take the time to show you guys a little tip and trick real quick. So on these alternators, pretty much every alternator, the bracket that you attach the alternator to, it's going to have these little dowels inside. Typically, they're in the way. Sometimes you can kind of tap them with a hammer or whatever. Most of the time though, they're press fit, so you need to, well, press them out of the way before you can put the new alternator in. And a little trick, get a long bolt, socket that is wider than the outer diameter of the little pin that you're trying to get out of the way. Center it, throw a nut on the back, fit nice and tight. And then what size wrench was it? 13. And you're just going to press it out of the way. I'm just going to tighten it and it's going to squeeze it into the socket. And check this out. Now, you can see it's almost completely flush, poking out the foot. Take your alternator. Look at that. Look at all that play. It's all you need to do. Push back into place. So, stuff like that will make you want to rip your hair out, but if you know how to manipulate it, it's not too bad. A little stressful, but could be worse.